Okay, happy Tuesday to all of my chick babes and fur babies. Okay, so we have a what? Amazon unboxing. Amazon unboxing. And I am so excited for this. So you all, hopefully y'all looked at my previous videos and you saw some of my accessories that I purchased for my iPad, for my cell phone, and for my whip. So this is the last accessory. I think, yeah, this is this is the last accessory, y'all. And I had to get this. I definitely had to get this. And of course, I hope it's cute. It better be cute. It better be cute. Y'all know Coco wanna play with them. It better be the right color too. Yeah, it is. Y'all know what color it is. Y'all know what color. Y'all know what color it is. Y'all know what color it is. Pink. So yes, I had to get a battery case for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Y'all, I just got that 14 Pro Max, so I was like, no, I'm not going to get the 15. I just got the 14. So we're going to wait until like next year. And we'll see. But you know what? Every year they come out with a new phone, but it really isn't a new. They come out with something so-called new, but it's not new. They're just taking their poor sweet time, moving features around. Okay, that's what they're doing, just moving around features, y'all. Okay, y'all. Here we go. Okay. Is this the user manual? See. Well, y'all know this is my favorite color. I want to just push it out. Push it out. There we go. This is my favorite color. Y'all know it is. None other than a pink battery charger case for my iPhone 14. Oh, sweet. Sweet, y'all. Look. Okay, this is so cute. Okay. Pink, 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 pink. And look what it come with, y'all. I didn't know this. Look, y'all. It came with a screen protector for the cell phone. Isn't that nice? Okay. Let's see. Yeah. All right now. Yes, okay. Yeah. And I make sure I keep these. And y'all know what? Y'all make sure that y'all also get the screen protector for your lens. Your camera lens. Lens on your camera. Now let's see. Okay. Let's see if any. Okay, so it has a little charge. Okay. Okay. So it don't come with the charging cables, but yeah, this is cute. This is so cute. But it has two. It has two charges left. It's on the second dot, so it has 4 dots, and two of them is still bright. Okay. So I'm going to charge up this battery case. It is so cute. It is so cute. Let's see. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all, I got my iPhone right here. My iPhone. Let's see how it fits, y'all. Let's see how it fits. It fits perfect, y'all. And look at my little screen. Y'all know I am girly girl. Oh, I just love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. And I had to get this because you should always have, let me see if I can do it. Okay, it's charging. You should always have more than enough chargers. Okay? Especially when you're out and about, shopping, traveling, what have you. Okay, it fits perfect, y'all. It fits perfect. The next video I'm going to do is what's on my iPhone. Okay. So I'm not going to show y'all what's on my iPhone. I'm not going to show you. Yes, okay. So right now it's at 54%. And it's at two of these lights. So that should take it to 100%. But I wonder if, let's see if I can, you know how some chargers you could charge both at the same time. I'm not sure if you can, but I'll read the manual and find out. But yes, isn't she cute? Isn't she lovely? I love it. I love it already. Y'all know I'm so girly girl. So now I have two pink cases. The battery charger case and my other, you know, regular cell phone case with the Chanel cell phone case. Yeah, I love it. Y'all, I can't wait to show y'all how I have blinged out my whip. I added another accessory, and each accessory brings it out. Accessories bring out everything. Accessories bring out everything. So, thank y'all for tuning into my video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos, and follow me on my social medias at Instagram, ja.cqueylyn, and TikTok, I am Zion Israel Locks. That's ZionIsraelLOCS. And on Pinterest, I am listen at me. On Pinterest, I am Jacqueline Dorinda Chick. JACQUELYN DORINDA Chick, Sage I see. Bye, babes.